everyone, I'm Zoe from Shandong Yaweh Heavy Industry Machinery Limited Company, and today I will introduce our new type backhoe loader. It's our JL4CX Backhoe Loader. JL4CX Backhoe Loader is our mainly model of a new generation CX series backhoe loader, which absorbs advanced design and new technology based on 3CX. This is a professional heavy-duty machine for engineering, construction, and municipal engineering projects. The machine size, the length is 60,500 millimeters, and the width is 2,500 millimeters, and the height is 3,800 millimeters. The wheelbase is 2,250 millimeters. The weight of the machine is 9.5 tons. It adopts one-piece frame, reasonable agreement, simple structure, strengthened bearings parts to ensure the overall strength. The drive axle is strengthened to an upgraded. It has a good overload resistance to meet the needs of a high-intensity, high-load operation. This backhoe loader is equipped with Yaweh 4105 supercharged engine with 75 kilowatts, with high combustion efficiency and more fuel efficient. As for loader part, the width of the bucket is 2 meters and the capacity is 1.2 cubic meters. Rated loading capacity is 2.5 tons. Maximum unloading height is 2,500 kilograms. Maximum unloading distance is 800 millimeters. And a quick change device in the front, which can be used to replace different attachments to meet the needs of different options. As for the excavator part, the bucket of excavator the capacity is 0.3 cubic meters. Maximum digging depth is 5,300 millimeters with telescopic arm. Digging and unloading height is 4,450 millimeters. The maximum digging ratio is 6,500 millimeters. The maximum lifting height is 6,100 millimeters. The excavator slowing angle of 190 degrees. Born in one motion like the human arm can make competitive, durable action. The control is soft. The action is smooth. Improved accuracy of work. The electronical controlled active side shift, so that the working area is greatly increased and can be equipped with optional crushing hammer, auger, and other tools to meet the needs of different working conditions. Super large luxury cab with more space and better vision provides a comfortable driving environment for the operator, and the operation is more quiet and comfortable. The human-sized design of the operating elements and buttons helps the operator work more easily. High-power automatic cooling and heating air conditioning, 3-dimensional surround air supply, and rotatable suspension shock absorbing seat greatly improve working efficiency. Shandong Yaweh Machinery not only provide machines for our customers, but also we upgrade our machines according to customer request and provide good solutions for our customers. We will be your reliable partner. Welcome to Shandong Yaweh.